Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Dave. This is GVA, Ghetto Van Adventures. So, my buddy called me last week and he said, Dave, he said, I had a few shingles off my roof. He said, do you think you can come over and, give me a hand with it? I said, yeah. I said, get some tar. And I said, we'll replace the shingles. Now, he had a couple bags of shingles left over from when they did his roof. It was like 3 years ago. And we've been having some bad storms, so it took a few shingles off. Anyway, I went over today, went up on the roof, and you could just feel the heat just bouncing off the black shingles. Anyway, we got up there. You're careful not to wreck the shingles that are down. It was good because you could lift up the shingle and put the new one underneath it without damaging anything because they weren't cold and cracking, and they were still fairly new. So we did that. I think there's 5 shingles. I did 3, he did 2. And then I showed him how to tar around his chimney. And really didn't need it, but he just wanted to do it just to be safe. He's up there anyway. I'm telling you, the sweat was just dripping off me. Like, look, putting a few shingles down, that's nothing. I was just soaked. He was soaked. It was ridiculous. Now I know why the roofers aren't up on the roofs right now doing this. Anyway, we got down off that, went in his house, stood there in the air conditioning. I must have drank a gallon of water. I'm going, holy man. And I feel tired. But he also goes to me, he says, listen, he says, do you want to grab a shower while you're here? And I went, yeah, I do. Because I was just soaked right through. So I went out, got clothes out of the van, went inside, had a shower, nice, clean clothes on, dry clothes. Oh, and I feel so good right now. I'm going, oh, this is great. Because I was going, I think I'm just going to go for a swim later on. But the beaches are so packed right now. It's midsummer, so everybody's out of school. Everybody wants to take advantage of the nice warm weather. So they're down at the beach and everything else. And that's the one thing that makes me a little nuts about summer is because it's busy, it's crowded. I like September-ish because then I can go and do my thing, and there's not that many people around. Like, the beaches aren't swamped, the roads aren't swamped. I'm going, this is better. Oh, gravel road. Anyway, so that's about it. That was my day, and I'll be honest with you, I think I'm just gonna find a place to tuck the van in, and I'm gonna have a little nap, because when I left my buddy's place, he's looking at me, he says, I'm beat. He says, I think I have to have a nap. And I'm laughing, I'm going, yeah. I said, you big softy, and meanwhile, I said afterwards, I'm going, yeah, I think I got to find a place to have a nap too. And he goes, want to crash out the couch? He said, you can't. I almost took him up on it because I'm going, oh, it's going to be so hot. But you know what? I think if I get down by some water somewhere, just open up the windows a bit, nice breeze through the van, it'll be all right. But anyway, that was my day. Hot. Very, very hot. But we got some stuff done anyway. Well, he got some stuff done too. He learned how to do it. So that's amazing. Anyway, guys, I hope it's cooler where you guys are and you're not up on a roof. Anyway, guys, you take care. Be safe on the road.